Alright, welcome back. We're just going to do a quick little video. We're installing new upper control arms. These are made by ARB, Old Man Emu. The reason why we are installing these is because with the 285s and the offset that we've got, they just rub on the upper control arm. So we're just going to replace these, which isn't too hard. All you need for this is a 12mm spanner, 10mm spanner, and then two 19mm, so which are 19, 19 and 19, and just a bit of grease. So we'll start pulling this apart and I'll step you through it as much as I can. Alright, so first of all what we're going to do is pull this little clip out here. And then we'll undo this 19mm. Yep. Oh, I'm to make lunch or summer work avoidance scheme.
Oh, that's not unusual. Allergic to work.
So once we've got that nut off, there's a flat edge on that we'll hit in a minute, but we just want to take the ABS cable off, which is a 12mm. Now the ABS is off, gives us a little bit of more movement. When we bash this flat edge, it'll drop off the ball joint. Don't be scared to hit it pretty hard. That's what that edge is designed to do. So now that all this is off, we'll undo the upper control arm, which is two 19mm. So once that's all out, we'll grease this shaft up and grease a few of the fittings up on the new upper control arms, and then we'll put it back together. These washers that are supplied with the kit, they go on the inside of the new upper control arms. So what we're going to do, we're just going to grease this bush up and then put it all together. Alright, so we've got our shaft all greased up now, so what we're going to do is put that back in. Alright, so once we got that bolt just through enough, we'll sit this washer on it. Put the second washer on it. Alright, so now we can put the factory washer and nut back on the outside of it. Alright, so now we're just going to seat the ball joint. Alright, so now we can put our ABS sensor on. The sensor bracket, sorry. And what we've got to do is there's a little tab there. The new control arms don't have a slot for it, so we've just got to fold that tab flat and then it'll be good to go. So we just finished tightening off our main upper control arm bolt. Everything's all done up now. All we got to do is just put the wheel back on and it's all finished. So probably leave the video there because I've got to fiddle around, do a little bit more wiring on some other stuff. Well, thanks for watching the short video on how to install upper control arms to an N80 Hilux. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel and we'll see you on the next one.